So Teddy wanted a Lanky box, and it came to today. We were very impressed by the box itself. It's actually like a plastic box that you can probably store other things in. And I mean, we thought it'd be just a cardboard box, but it's not. So that was really a cool start. You can see the size. Now, this was one of the larger boxes that were available. It's a giant mystery box as opposed to some of the smaller ones. But Teddy's going to be opening it up here, and so we can see what's inside. Teddy has been excited about this for the last couple of days while it's been in shipping. You got it? Good job. Oh, look at that. That's cute.
It's so cute. I know.
You're okay, Maggie.
Pull on the side, Teddy.
Yeah, do you need
Like
help?
No, right there. See, it's already hanging.
Oh, yeah, down on this side, baby. Get over here, babe. Yep, it's down. There you go. There you go. Oh, how do you open this? Do we know? It's a mystery. Is there little latches on it? Don't break it. Ooh.
See some stuff.
You saw so. Does this just pop off? Oh, there. It like latches. There. Oh, cool.
Look at this mystery box.
Whoa, holy macaroni.
Look at this. Look.
That is cool.
Yeah, and look, you can open it in this. Look, Mom.
Wow, look at all these guys.
Look.
So they come individually wrapped.
This is space, Mom.
Cute.
That is cute.
Look at this mystery boxes. That's what I'm saying. This mystery. But I want to see who it is.
What's the first one? Oh boy. Can you get it?
Yep.
Oh, here, buddy.
I opened this one. Oh. You can do that first if you want. I opened it for you, okay? Pop up.
Yeah, but Mom, you're supposed to open this. But I don't know what's inside here.
Here.
Boxing!
Oh,
Look, Mom, she has glasses
Oh
on.
my gosh, so cute.
Yeah.
Here, are you ready?
Yeah.
Want me to do it?
the boxing.
Yeah, look, this.
Who's this one?
Oh, it's probably a squishy ghosty.
Oh, squishy ghosty.
Oh.
Look,
Oh my.
it is. Right.
It comes in a little container, or is that a...
Yeah, this is a little container.
Oh, it's disposable. Gotcha.
Yeah.
See?
Gotcha. But let's see that ghost. Oh, look at Ghosty. Oh
Look.
my.
So, boom, boom. Watch, he squeeze his eyes. Watch. Watch. Look.
Wow. Very cool.
This.
Very, very cool.
It's adorable.
But at the end, I want to open this big.
At the end? Gotcha.
Look, that has a question mark.
Oh, here's Maggie.
Feels like second. Oh, this.
Who's that?
Socket!
Oh, look how cute.
Look, Mom.
Look how cute he is.
Yeah, but you can't squish him.
Oh,
Wow.
but he's cute.
Too cute. And Tay's like, I'm already going in for the next one. What we got here, bud?
Ooh, stickers!
Oh, look how cute.
Look all the stickers. What's over this? It's probably the same.
Oh,
I thought it was a tattoo. I think it is a sticker.
oh, gotcha. And
Ooh, it's a pop out!
oh, you love them, huh?
Look.
That
It's
is
a pop
cool.
It's a boxy one.
A boxy pop it.
Yeah, look.
Flip it around. Are there
There's
two
two
different
different
faces?
faces,
That's what I
yeah.
thought. So we got
There's that
we
one.
got face one.
Yeah,
And-
Show the other one. Here. Nope.
Oh,
there was one happy and one.
one's excited.
Here, wait, Ty, can you open this? Look.
Yeah, but I. But these are all okay.
Hey, Teddy, you ready?
Open it.
Are you ready?
Oh, who's he?
She's like,
Oh,
he's like, look,
wow, that is
That's
cool.
funny.
he's just like popped out.
He pops out of his container. That's awesome. He couldn't quite get the lid off of it.
Yeah, watch. Wait.
Here, Maggie.
Watch, wait.
Sweet. And then, yeah, we'll go. Oh, you take off the lid. Holy moly, he got some spring to him.
Yeah, and because he has something inside.
That is awesome, huh?
But we'll open this big mystery one.
Oh, get the big one.
I
Uh-oh.
think it's so flashy. Ghosty!
Oh,
Guys,
that's my. I think he's my favorite. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but too
Take all the
cute.
trash. Is that all of them?
yeah, by the way,
No, I think
So
there's more, isn't
cute.
there? Or no? Am I wrong?
He ripped through it pretty quick. So I think it was all of them. So we got
All these little guys.
little guys here. We got the spring-loaded guy. We got the sticker and cute Ghosty.
Maggie's trying to eat it.
And Maggie. Say hello, Maggie.
look, Rocky. He's
Here,
this one.
let's hold these guys up. So we found out we opened the pack of stickers and we have
Yeah, look.
a Rocky,
Candy
Canny,
and Ghosty.
and Ghosty. So there are 3 stickers in there. Once we started messing with it a little bit, we found, and we also found that the can does not have a pop top. It actually has a little bit of a locking top, and you just slide it off to the side, so it makes it a lot easier to open.
This